Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh. If you're new here, welcome. So as you guys can see by the title of the video, I've been wanting to do this video for so long. Right now it's nighttime. I have dinner cooking and Leo's quiet watching his little YouTube videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do this video for you guys. Hopefully it answers all of your TikTok questions. And if you guys want to see a tutorial on how to make TikTok videos, then go ahead and leave the recommendation in the comments and I will be gladly to do the TikTok tutorial video for you guys. But today I'm just going to give you guys like tips on how to fastly grow your TikTok account, which I've been implementing on my TikTok account and I've been growing super duper fast. So yeah. Let's just get into that. Okay, so if you guys see me looking at my phone, it's because I have all my notes here because I didn't want to miss anything for you guys. So I'm just gonna hop into the video. Okay, so the most important tip, the number one tip that I can give you guys is to post 3 times a day on your account. The type of content you create is completely up to you. I do a lot of makeup tutorials, but I also do like dancing and I do like fashion. So my account is basically a mix account. It's a combination of different niches. So with the first tip that I have for you guys could choose to follow trending videos. Like trending videos will always pop up on the trend page. You guys can follow trends, like do dances that are trending or makeup hacks and stuff that are trending. You guys can always hop on those because those are the type of videos that will get you the most views and get you the most possibilities of going viral. So definitely stay in touch with trends. So now that I have your attention, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and become a part of the notification gang and you will never miss one of my videos. Back to the program. Add on to the first tip I have, if you're not doing trends or you don't know what to do, you can also do videos that are going to bring value to people's lives, like hacks and tips and even business videos or even videos on how to grow your account. Videos that bring value will always get viewed. People need help and you're going to be the one to give it to them. So they're always going to come back to your account for more. So bringing value is a plus. Number 2 is going to be that you must always be consistent. Once you get followers, you're going to have to keep those followers. And to do this, you're going to have to stay consistent because people are going to come back to your page to see your videos. This is also why I recommend posting at the same time every day. And I also recommend posting 3 times a day. The third tip is going to be use popular hashtags. Everyone always uses the hashtag FYP. See someone comment FYP on your page, that means your video was most likely on the For You page. But yeah, you want to use trending tags like For You page. Spell it out, For You page. You also want to use For You and the hashtag FYP. And also, if you're doing makeup, you want to use the hashtag makeup tutorials. If you're doing hair tutorials, you want to use the hashtag hair tutorials. Those tutorials are very trending and they are used a lot. And if you guys didn't know, that is how TikTok distributes your video according to hashtags. So using hashtags in your niche is definitely important. Number 4 is going to be one of my most important tips because I don't see it enough, and that's going to be actually interacting with your audience. Every video I make, I take a few minutes to reply back to my comments. This is where interacting with your followers come into play. A lot of the followers on TikTok are still little girls, and when you reply back to their comments, they're like devoted to you guys. I swear by it. So I always make sure I reply back to my comments, and half of the time the little girls are shook and they're like, oh my God, you actually reply. So they love it. Make sure you're replying back to your comments. Don't be like everybody else and just post and leave the app. You actually want to interact with your followers. Okay, so the last tip is going to be turning your TikTok account into a creators account. I love this because you can actually track your posting time. You can also track the songs that your followers are listening to, and you can also track most trending videos that you have so you know which of more like you're supposed to create more of, because obviously if this video is getting a lot of likes, a lot of views, you're gonna wanna go ahead and create more of that video because the video is basically a hit. Inside your TikTok creators account, you're also going to see the age range of your followers, the gender, and also where your followers are from. Most of my followers are from New York because I am in New York and I use the New York hashtag a lot. So I get a lot of New York followers. So just be sure that you have your TikTok account on the creators account. So guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Super easy video. I just wanted to give you guys the tips that I implement into my videos that I post daily. The number one rule tip that I can give you guys, the holy grail, is going to be post 3 times a day. You have to be consistent. You have to keep posting, and then your profile will definitely pick up. As you guys can see, my profile picked up so fast. Like as I'm making this video, I'm on 11.8. So when you guys watch this video, I can guarantee you that it's not still gonna be at 11.8 because my followers do grow very fast. Again, I'm posting 3 times a day. I'm using the trending hashtags and I'm always alternating my hashtags, and I like to do a lot of different things. This way people feel like they can come to me to see a bunch of different stuff. Like I'm a jack of all trades, and I think that's really unique about my channel. So guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And of course, if you guys want a tutorial on how to do TikTok videos, I will definitely be happy to film that for you guys. Just let me know in the comments. So until next time, it's time for me to go back to cooking. My chicken is done. Bye guys, love you.